Okay, question from Alex. No, good day, sir. I just wanna ask, meron na po ba dito sa Pinas Review Center for CMA? Yes, we have Review Center for CMA. Siyempre, of course, I will promote our own CPA Review Center, no, for CMA. Yes, we have now partnership with iCoach, based in Dubai, and also with the Advanced Review Solutions and ARS, no. So start na kami, no, for this January of 2026, no, Alex. So if you want to enroll with us, no, so just message me, and I will also give you some tips, no, on how to pass. Although hindi pa ako CMA na, but soon. Hopefully maging CMA na din, no. But I am also reviewer, no, in management accounting. So hopefully, Alex, no, mag-enroll ka sa amin with the iCoach, no. Please like iCoach together with the Advanced Review Solutions with the ARS, no. Para soon, no, you will become a CMA someday. Okay? So again, thank you, Alex, no, and please message us, and please search iCoach and ARS CPA Review Center. Okay? Bye-bye.